Hello everyone. So today's video I wanted to talk about something that I read in the news literally today. The British government had a lot of Mosey-Guard natural insect spray, and it was told them that it may be antiviral and help with the COVID situation. And so they ask, the Surgeon General in Britain asked that some scientific studies be done on it to see if it actually was a antiviral, if it would help at all, etc. Obviously, they didn't just want to take the company's word for it and do that without taking any other steps. So they did their own scientific research, and I will try and put a link in the description to the paper that's been released. Obviously, this is very beginning research into it, but what was found was that it did help some. It would kill if it was in a liquid suspension, and it would kill on surfaces. So it's something that could be used in addition to masks, social distancing, hand washing, the works that we should already be doing. But I know for many people with EDS that there's a concern with, is that enough? And is there anything else we could do to help improve our chances of not getting it even more? So it was proven on Mosey-Guard Natural. The company that asked them to do produces a product called citriodiol, and it's a concentrated form of the citriodora, of a component of that's in the lemon eucalyptus. So other eucalyptus, there's 3 different types of eucalyptus oils that are commonly available: lemon, globulus, and radiata. It looks like it's only the lemon citronella or Eucalyptus citriodora that has this component in. So you will want the lemon citronella if you choose to do the essential oils. Make sure you're getting the pure essential oil, not a way diluted and not worth it oil. If people want, leave a comment in the description or in the comment section, not the description. And I can do a video about how to test if essential oils are pure or if they've been cut with carrier oils and stuff. Now, if you get a pure essential oil, you do then want to, in your home, cut it with, before you use it, cut it with a carrier oil. But the carrier oils can cause breakdown faster, and so you're better off starting with a pure essential oil. If you don't want to go essential oil, look for your insect sprays that are lemon eucalyptus. They're your more natural insect sprays. Many of them have been proven to have some effect on being an insect repellent, repelling mosquitoes and the like. They aren't as good as DEET, but they've been proven that. So especially if you're out in the evenings, this might be a really good thing to spray on you and on your masks, because it may provide that extra, just a bit more protection against COVID also. And even during the day or stuff, rather than using it as an insect spray, some on your mask may be just a little bit more support so you don't end up coming down with COVID. So I hope that helps. I hope that explains, if you want to go more natural, what the way to do that is. Obviously, it may not be as concentrated, and it's not just the component that one component. If you use an essential oil, it's everything in the eucalyptus oil. Or the way to do it with the concentrated component, and how to do that, you can find those on grocery store shelves and the works usually. So I hope that helps, and thanks for watching. Bye.